Things happen in life that make you see the world in a different light. You meet new people, discover new hobbies, or find a product that changes your perspective. Once you discover Volt Lighting, you'll see things differently. We offer landscape lighting systems for any style or application, and we engineer all of our fixtures to stand the test of time. They're made from solid brass, making them strong, durable, and beautiful. Which is why we stand behind each brass fixture we sell with a lifetime warranty. We believe that to make the best lighting, you need the best team. At Volt, every single employee is dedicated to providing you with the best customer service. From getting orders out on time from any one of our 3 shipping facilities, to handling any issues you may have with your system 7 days a week. It's just how we do business. Innovation is at the core of what we do. We're constantly pushing the boundaries of landscape lighting, engineering unique fixtures in-house that are beautiful and durable. We've developed innovative components to make installation easier and faster, and your system more reliable. We do all of this so that you can take your home from this to this. And at that perfect moment, you can depend on your landscape lighting to come on night after night. It's a simple thing, but it's what we do best. For beautiful landscape lighting that's easy to install and will last a lifetime, there is only one choice: Volt.